Hey guys, welcome to my new video. Today I want to talk about the importance of understanding the higher time frame perspective, the higher time frame direction, and how this approach can help you to avoid revenge trade, FOMO, and stupid entries. Okay, I want to show you the today example because I think today is a great example of this theory, especially because today we have a lot of demand that basically was destroyed by the order flow, the bearish order flow. So let's start from weekly, and I'm gonna show you the entire breakdown from weekly to potential entries. Honestly, today I didn't take any trade because the whole movement happened during Asian session, and I usually sleep during that time, so I didn't take any trade, but that's not a problem. If you change your mindset from okay, I'm an intraday trader and I have to trade every day, from okay, I'm an intraday trader and it means that basically I have to take a trade for a certain period of time. Okay, my trade have a certain period of time validation. Okay, so for me, day trading it means that I take trade today and I close my trade today. That's all. Doesn't mean that I have to trade every day because I'm not an employer. Okay, I don't work for someone. I work for myself. I'm a trader. So if I find a good opportunity to make money, I take a trade. If there is no opportunity to make money, I just do something else. Okay, like I don't know, walking with my dogs. I go to the gym. I clean up my home, etc., etc., etc. Okay, spend time with your family. Okay, there is no reason to stay in front of your screen. Okay, every single moment. There is no the secrets of professional traders. Okay, let's come back to us and let's start from weekly. Okay, give me 1 sec to delete for the moment these drawings. Cool. Okay. If you already watched my first trade recap, I already told this, gave this information, and yeah, basically we had the same identical situation, and exactly happened what I told on that video. We basically have this bearish pressure on weekly perspective, and we had this weekly inefficiency. Price basically filled this inefficiency and tapped into this previous supply and create this strong downside movement. Okay, and this is the current week, and this is the previous one. Right? Based on this candle closure, we can assume a lot of different informations. Okay, the first one is, let's zoom into a little bit. Look, this candlestick basically was an engulfing candlestick for these previous two bullish candlesticks. Basically this one covered entirely or almost entirely those two bullish candlesticks, which is for me a great sign of bearish intention. Okay, and second, they feel this unbalance and look the reaction. Okay, so for 1 and 2 weeks we already knew the direction, which is incredible for a day trader. Okay, you just now have to focus on intraday structure and following the bearish order flow. It means that you're gonna filter all the bullish position, and you're gonna filter all the stupid entries that you can make during the week as intraday trader. If you are a scalper, yeah, you can take a bullish position, but you have to pay attention because you know that overall direction is bearish. Okay, so you have to choose the best exit point, you have to choose the best trade management as scalper. But at the beginning, I suggest you to focus your attention on higher time frame, because higher time frame intention, higher time frame structure, higher time frame POI rarely lies. Okay. Okay, let's move now into our daily time frame. And on daily time frame, let's zoom into, we have this situation today. This is 4th of November 2021 candlestick. Yeah, look, we have this supply mitigation, this liquidity, price dropped, broke this level, create this pullback to tap into this level again and create this downside movement again. So what happened today and yesterday? Okay, because as intraday trader, your job is to catch the best intraday movement, which is short today. Okay, yesterday, yeah, we had this bullish candle that went through these highs and taking out this liquidity. So basically they took out the liquidity, tapped into this supply again, this demand failed to create a new high, and now for me became target. Okay, so what we have here, basically we have this candlestick that took out the previous liquidity, 2 days of liquidity. Okay, one honestly because this one took out this previous one, so this candlestick took out the previous high liquidity. And now price can targeting these 2 lows. Okay, let's go on 4 hour. Yesterday I took a couple of short position, but price took me out break even, no problem. Today I didn't take, as I told you, any trades because look, the biggest movement happened during Asian session, so I didn't feel confident to take short position in this level because we have a lot of unbalance to feel. We have a lot of space to feel and to create maybe a pullback before the final movement, so I didn't take any trades. But during these days, this type of days, I'd like to review the price action because I wasn't able to take a trade, but doesn't mean that I can't learn something from price action. Okay, so I use these days in this way, okay, just to learn something new, or to learn something that I already know, and to build a solid mindset, to build confidence. Okay, let me show you an interesting thing, because why is important to follow the higher time frame perspective. Because let's say you label the 1 hour or 15 minutes structure, okay, and today we had a lot of demand. I don't know, let's say this one, let's say this one, let's say this one, let's say this one, and let's say now This one. Okay, this is the last one. But pay attention on this. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 5. Price went through these 4 demand areas and nothing happened. They just went through like a butter. Like, and nothing happened. Nothing really happened. So what happened if you focus your attention on this level? Let's see this one, for example. Okay, if you focus your attention on this level, you have, I don't know, break of structure, and blah blah blah. You play this long position, they stop you out. Their setup is completely valid if you have a scalping intraday perspective, because yeah, price took out this liquidity, change of character, etc, etc, etc. Okay, change of character, break of structure, etc, etc, etc. But you can avoid a lot of stupid entries, a lot of stop losses if you focus your attention on higher time frame perspective. And this is gonna help you. Yeah, it can be a good trade. You can make 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, doesn't matter. But what I want to teach you now today is that yeah, this can be a good, potentially good trade, but this is the counter trend completely. Look the momentum. Okay, so it's more easy to focus your attention on this kind of trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shorts position following the momentum. Okay, it's super easy for you, more easy. And look, we had, imagine if you take, I don't know, let's say this demand, use this demand, you took a stop loss, you use this demand, break of structure, in entry up there, and you took the second stop loss, and again use this demand, break of structure, took the third stop loss in a row, that you can avoid. Okay, so here with this kind of behavior, you're gonna have more psychological barriers like FOMO, like revenge trade, because you took this short long position, took this stop loss, took this revenge trade. Okay, so profit, boom, stop loss, revenge trade. Okay, profit, stop loss, revenge trades. You blow up your account, you failed your challenge, etc, etc. Okay, but vice versa, if you focus your attention on the right side of markets, you see this, for example, reaction, failed to create a new higher high, this became target, failed to create a new higher high, became target, failed to create a new higher high, became target, failed to create a new higher high, became target. Okay, so if you change perspective, if you focus your attention on the right thing, if you focus your attention on higher time frame, everything gonna be easy, or more easy at least. Okay, and let me show you another interesting thing. So for example, Asian session range. Oh yeah, so we have this unbalance field. Again, price went through this high, took out this liquidity, filled this unbalance at 90%, and went basically pushed down, push a lower price to create a lower price using all this liquidity. Now let's see if the first target gonna be hit or not. But the most important thing, another important thing is look this indicator that told me this previous weekly low PWL. This is my first target, and below this level we have a lot of liquidity, and for me liquidity is a great target. Okay. Okay guys, I hope this lesson was useful for you. If you have any question, please feel free to text me wherever you want. If you want to tag me on question channel, tag me or tag the rest of the team. We are here to help you to improve your trading and support you every day. Okay? Have a nice day. See you the next time.